Fiverr Affiliate Program. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to the official Fiverr website. On the homepage, scroll down to the bottom menu section. Under Company, click Affiliates. You'll be redirected to the Fiverr Affiliates page. Click Join Now to begin registration. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Create a username, set your password, and confirm the password. Choose your account type, private, company, or Fiverr seller. Provide links to your social media accounts. Select your country and preferred language. Click the Next button to continue. Choose 3 options for how you plan to promote Fiverr. Select relevant audience interests from a list. Fill in a short explanation of how you will promote Fiverr. Specify your affiliate experience duration and platforms you've worked with. Check the box for I agree to the terms and conditions. And check the box for I agree to the privacy policy. Click Register Now to complete your application. You'll be taken to a confirmation page. Wait for Fiverr's team to review and verify your application. Once approved, you'll receive a verification email. Then, you can log in and start your Fiverr affiliate journey.